Yung drug addiction ng methamphetamine. Sa introduction, pinapakita lang dito kung ano yung masamang epekto nito sa ating katawan. Ni-research namin to kasi bilang chemistry student, kailangan namin ma-explain sa inyo kung ano yung masamang epekto nito sa ating katawan. Kumuha kami ng iba't ibang impormasyon kagaya sa ating bansa at sa ibang bansa na ang drugs ay nakakasama sa atin. Sa research content, methamphetamine, meron siyang N-methyl alpha-methyl phenylamine na ano sa atin ng ADHD and obesity. Tapos ang mataas na dosage nito ay naka-abuse at addiction. Sa research purpose and description, ginawa namin to kasi may mga tao na hindi alam kung bakit sila na-addict sa drugs. Hindi nila alam na nakakasira ito ng pamilya, nakakawalan ng trabaho, pagbagsak sa school, domestic violence, tsaka na siya ng child.
Objective of the study, para matulungan namin yung mga tao kaiwas sa paggamit ng shabu at mag-focus sa ibang activities. Related studies and literature. Naghanap kami ng mga article about dun sa drug abuse. Yung sa foreign, Johnson & Johnson to pay $2.2 billion for illegal drugs marketing noong November 4, 2013. Tolerable taking of illegal drugs noong August 16, 1987. 200 million people use illegal drugs. What is the toll on health noong January 5, 2012? Illegal drugs secures at border jam 16% noong November 27, 2001. Sa local naman, restoring the stigma to drug use noong November 21, 1993. Police track illegal drugs supply and purity noong November 16, 2001. MTA proposal intent to stop drivers on drugs noong August 17, 2000. Tapos, parents should beware treat of inhalants household items called as harmful to youths.
Yan, sa data collection and survey. Dito, sa unang graph, pinapakita lang na illegal drugs ang pinakamataas. Sumusunod lang marijuana. At yung iba, napakababa na. Yung sa pangalawang graph namin, yung sa age ng nagamit nito. Yung pinapakita dito na pinakamataas ay may edad sa 18 to 20. Sumusunod lamang ang 21 to 25 at pumapangatlo ang 16 to 17. Parang pinapakita dito na ang kabataan ay ang pinakamaraming nagamit nito. Sa pangatlo, yung simula sa 1990 to 2007, pinapakita sa graph na to na habang tumatagal, mas tumataas yung nagamit ng drugs. Kasi sa pagkakakulong, yung drugs ang pinakamataas, sumusunod lang yung violence, poverty, immigration.
Kamay nga.
Edit na lang ito.
Summary of the study. A drug is, in the broadest of terms, a chemical substance that has known biological effects on humans or other animals. Foods are generally excluded from this definition in spite of their physiological effects on animal species. Chemical substances that affect on the central nervous system, such as opioids or hallucinogens, alcohol, nicotine, and caffeine are the most widely consumed psychotropic drugs worldwide. Effects on perception, consciousness, personality, and behavior. Conclusion. Therefore, we conclude that drug and alcohol addiction is said to be the worst kind of addiction that one can have. It is common and costly. It can cause or worsen many medical problems and destroy families. With most street drugs outlawed in the United States, the question still remains, why is alcohol legal when it has been proven to be a leading cause of death? With that being said, alcohol and drug addiction, it also takes a toll on wallets and families. Recommendation. We recommend to you and to other person that when you have research about illegal drugs, especially methamphetamine, first learn the meaning of the methamphetamine or commonly known as shabu. We know it deeply and look for the effect of drugs to our body. After that, you know that you will not be addicted and you will not think to use that because of the side effect of it. Many people was addicted to the illegal drugs not only in our country but also other country like USA, China, and other countries. If you don't believe on my group research, try to make your own research about methamphetamine and you will able to have more knowledge about on it. And you will not think to use it because it is bad to body. Some meaning of death is drugs will end in.
One.